Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the accessibility settings on your X-Twitter account easy and quickly. So first enter X-Twitter, click here on your profile icon, click on the settings and privacy and scroll down, and here we have this accessibility and display and languages settings. So click on the accessibility. So as you see here we have many options like the screen reader. You can turn this on, pronouns, hashtag as hashtag. Also we have the motion, reduce motion, so you can turn this on. So this is up to you if you want to uh, customize or manage this section as you want. So that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.